Mic check. All right, good. Ooh. Um, Shut down with the soccer game. 9:20. About to go to bed in like 20 minutes. About to eat dinner, shower. But before that, I shall go over the market. I'm in barber play. Leave. Boom, boom, cha, cha. 1-5-0 today in soccer. 3-2 for our record. Not bad. Played pretty solid. All right. Going to today. Heike sort of looking like yesterday in terms of. All right, Asian. Love to see that didn't do anything. Usually I trade better when Asian does nothing. Maybe that's placebo, but I think it is just generally true. London didn't manipulate anything, so usually on these days, I'm like, so London knows. But however, I feel like things have definitely changed a little bit. Yesterday, sort of same thing. I was, I guess, more short, but guess what? Ripped up gap here. Maybe that was it. But recently, like, who knows, the market is really bottom, but I think it definitely, or it has now, V-shaped recovery. And I think with that in mind, I usually don't use, like, I guess, other stuff but technical analysis, but having that in mind and seeing what happened yesterday with Asian and London not really manipulating any of those, I'm like, this could very well rip up and I have to find a retrace. So I was like, that I'm definitely more short because that's how I've been trading, but I need to be able to adjust on the fly. So that's kind of the mindset going into it. Oh no. All right. We instantly boom up. But the key here was, and actually I didn't realize it until now, we did have a 5-minute SMT. Obviously, it broke such a big candle that doesn't matter. And it looks like there's a potential 5-minute bearish SMT coming. So now I'm like, probably more bearish. But we're already in bull structure. Although we broke down on MNQ. Then we just ripped up. I'm like, all right, just gonna wait. Maybe possibly make a gap. All right, I'm gonna gap. Got down a candle, but this is MES made a comeback. Now I'm like, ooh, rip. Now I'm like, okay. I saw that we didn't tap this 5-minute gap. I'm like, okay, 15-minute gap. Let's see here. Okay, just wanted a candle. Nothing yet. I definitely like. Sometimes I stay in the 5-minute too long, and I forget about the 15-minute. So I've definitely been checking that a little more, just for like gaps or any other confluence. We gotta get some things down, like all right, gap here. We can validate that. We start retracing. We're at, bro, like just seeing these candles, like just while watching them, I'm like, bro, this is barely any selling pressure. We'll get some sort of movement. On the hourly or like 4 hour, bro, it was like targets of high were kind of not looking. Well, they just weren't looking the best. Like we're just in this gap basically. And I'm like, kind of already above. I mean, I guess things like if I just scroll, like you don't see anything. Like you're having to go all the way over here and they're just like stacked up high. So it's like kind of hard to truly know if there's a good high that price will reverse off. So that's like the only thing I didn't like exactly about going long, but um, my main goal is just kind of hold to 1-to-1, especially because we're just in a gap. Because if I had 5 to 15 minute confidences, they're probably at least push up enough to be like 150 ticks, 200 ticks on MQ, just off those confidences. Kind of how I thought about it. Um, Holy frick. Oh, where am I? Yeah. So now I'm like checking the 15-minute. Let's see what we got. Okay, well now we're definitely getting a gap. Let's wait for that to close. If we can tap into that gap, we're gonna get 5-minute. I'm like, then I'm checking equilibrium. Basically 5-minute lows. I feel like those 5-minute lows are gonna be hard to. If we could sweep them, there's no 5-minute lows here. So like, we could sweep them. There's no chance of making S&T. Maybe we sweep them while we're maintaining bullish structure and tapping the gap. Definitely possible, but it's just so like it was so far away. I mean, I guess not at that point, but from up here. And then from here, it was like another, I don't know. I guess it just seemed further away. But 15-minute made a gap once that closed. So then we boomed up. Here at MEQ, I'm like, all right, bang, now at this point, 15-minute gap tapped into. Got our 5-minute, got a good amount of retrace. Didn't tap into any equilibrium, but got a good retrace. Tapped into retrace confluence, then invalidated. I'm like, definitely not the best because it went up here, but now there's a chance that bull runs. So I'm like, all right, bye. My stop was 150, but only really got me down to here. So I kind of moved it 190. So I was like a little, that's my stop loss. We're just still within the 200 mark, so I was fine with it. And then my TP was up here, but I had the hourly gap worked out. Which was up here. I was like, wow, that was pretty high. Price. A couple things I wanted to go over was it went up, bang. Once it hit 150, I exited one. But this here didn't update. It was like still 3. So if it would have hit me at break even, it would have put me into a sell order. And I tried to put a stop limit in, but that just sold me out of my buys. I need to lock in and try to figure that out. Why? But when I do on my computer, when I just sell, if I had to buy, and usually it shows that like no TP, no stop loss. I took both of those off on my computer. When I do that, it just takes me out of one, and then this here changes stop limit to 2. So if it takes me out, it takes me out 2 orders. But here are still 3, so it would have hit that, or it would put me in another sell order because I was already off one. On my computer is fine, but not my phone. And I'm like, all right, this hit here. I took one off. It kind of came down, so I'm like, I'm just gonna leave it. I had my stops at break even, like right here, that gap. Started coming down more. Then we hit there, so then I'm like, I think I took another one off soon. I just moved my. Oh, here's what happened. I moved both my stops because I couldn't move it to up here, and then it ended up getting stopped out. And then I re-entered because I wanted to leave stuff on, but then I trailed. Well, I closed higher up here, and I trailed it like by $50, so I lost another 50. So it should have been more like a 1 to 1.25. But after all my fees, it was like a 1 to 1.1. But with it definitely being a potentially really long day, I think I should have left just one running at break even here and then taken um, 2 off. I don't know though, because I kind of want to leave. I think it's hard because I don't know where there's no real TP because then it ended up kind of all the way down. Would have been really close. It'd been bull run. Mm, I think it's hard because I don't have a TP or multiple TPs. If I had multiple TPs, I think it was better, but I think it's better just to take profit, take the win. Got 1 to 1, solid. CPI came out, didn't do anything. Yeah, barely anything. No news for the rest of the week. Decent trade, made 200 and am up 500 again. So back to where I started on the week, which is good. Good resilient trading, but I think my trading's definitely been better. Emotionally, bro, it's been better. I haven't looked at results, bro. Like emotionally, it's just been so much better. Like if I lose, I just lose. It's like I don't know how to explain it. I just the market isn't against me. It's not anything else but just there. And seeing it like that, bro, makes me like realize if I miss anything. Like I don't want to FOMO anymore because the market's just it's always moving. So there's endless opportunity no matter what. Doesn't mean force a trade, but it just means because you didn't enter because it bull run up doesn't mean you should have entered. If you have the edge, then you have to take it. Take the confluences like I did today. So I felt good. Another win and another YouTube video made. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, actually, I should. I have a game tomorrow, and it's away. Might be cooked. So I might not be able to make a video tomorrow. But I'll eventually make a video on it. Or I'll cover it in the next one. Bye-bye.